Hello my dear students, welcome everyone to India's first animated live tuition. I welcome all of you to the personalized chapter based model. So we are welcoming you all to the personalized chapter based model. So I hope you all are ready over there. So if you have any concerns, queries and all, please do let me know. My old students are getting wondered over there. They're like, oh, Manoj sir over here, long time no see. Hi guys, hi Srinidhi. How y'all doing? I hope you all are doing good. So whatever the concerns, queries you have, please do let me know. So we will be extra power packed over here. Yes, good evening, Mohammed Ishan. Yes, good evening, guys. I can see all. OMG sir, you are, yes, you teach math. Yes, Lavishka used to teach math as well as physics. Isn't it? You guys might have seen me taking math, right? Srinidhi, I took math for you, right? In which grade? Yes. Oh, in grade 7. Yes, in grade 7 I have taken math for you all. Yes. So guys, I used to take math as well as physics. So don't worry, I'll be giving you the basics. So when it comes to core concepts or core chapters, so we'll have different set of teachers for different set of chapters. So let's begin guys. I hope you all are ready guys. You got an induction of PCM model, right? What is personalized chapter model? You all know it, right? Yes. Ishan is like, wait, what? Ishan, I am your math tutor to take basic mathematics, Ishan. Hi. So we all missed you. I missed you all, guys. Hi, Anna Rose. Hi, Lavishka. Hi, Mohammed Ishan. Hi, everyone. Hi, Srinidhi. Yes, I can see you all, guys. Sneha, Rup, Naya. My all students are already there and I love it. And my new students, welcome to the world's first PCM model tuition. So if you have any concerns, let me know. So can we begin, guys? Can we start? 4 minutes warm-up time down, done. Now we have 1 more minute left. 1 more minute left for warm-up. After that, we'll jump on the concepts. So you're teaching maths. Yes, Joshua used to teach math as well. Joshua has seen me taking physics in grade 8, right? Isn't it, Joshua? I used to take math as well as physics. Got it, Joshua? Yes. So let's get some basics done, guys. So whatever the concerns we have, you can let me know. Who is that guy, guys? Who is this guy? You all know it, right? Isn't it? Do you remember? Anna is like, sir, I never knew this guy. I've never heard of this guy. Any idea? Mayang Singh? Jerome? I do remember you all. Mohammed Hadi? Everyone is guessing. Guys, guess some random names. I know you all are thinking. Aditya is like Aryabhatta. Okay. Not even close. Then, any other comments? Don't say Sir Elon Musk, Barack Obama and all. It should be someone who is related to math. Abdul Qadir bin Mufail Dosi. Ishan. He looked like Tagore. Okay. Fine, Jerome. Albert Einstein, but with no hair. Okay, Jerome. Everyone is like, sir, wrong answers only. Sir, he looks like that guy from Bahubali. Okay. You all are teasing a mathematician or what? Madhav Guru is sharing it is Archimedes. So guys, we'll check who is this guy. It is none other than the Archimedes. Very good, Srinidhi. Very good, Madhav Guru. So it is none other than Archimedes. He is the father of mathematics. Okay? So you don't have to write it down. You don't have to know this down. Just have a basic idea about it. So let me go ahead, guys. Yes. So without mathematics, there is nothing you can do, isn't it? In every other task which we do on a daily basis, we need math, right? Isn't it? So everything around you is mathematics, for sure. Everything around you is numbers, for sure. Isn't it? Every little thing we do will have some kind of math over there. Isn't it? So it was said by this famous mathematician Shakuntala Devi. Okay, so we'll move forward. So with respect to numbers, the digits and all, you know it, right? Basics. Digits are used to represent numbers which include 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So guys, you guys will be thinking, sir, all these are very basic things. We all know it. That's why it's called basic foundation course. Got it? Yes. So we have a conversation over here. Okay. So this is just an example where we can understand that there are a lot of math coming up in our day-to-day life activities. Got it? So over here, So mom is asking, Mimi, could you come here please? Okay, mom is calling her daughter to come over to support her. So we'll see if you can count these oranges. So she is calling up her daughter. So guys, what will happen? Daughter will come and count the oranges, right? Do we have math over there? Obviously, we have math over there, right? Those are mangoes. Yes, obviously over here on the couch you can see we have mangoes. Zero. Got it? Yes. So obviously we have math over there. So now, right now we're going to check the natural numbers which is coming on our way. So numbers starting from 1 and ends to infinity, also called counting numbers. They are natural numbers. So everyone notes down what are natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. It goes that way. So the numbers which start from 1 and goes to infinity and is also called as counting numbers. They are called as natural numbers. Even if it's the basics, you should have an idea about it. So once you're done writing, please do let me know. Should we write this? Yes, Randy. Natural numbers, you should have an idea about it. So you can keep your cameras turned on. Aditya, Sonika. Keep your cameras turned on, guys. Ankit, Prasad, Sai, Sarangi. Yes. Rules are rules. We should see you all. The thing is, the reason is, the session should be more active and interactive. It's not like, okay, I don't want anyone sitting over there behind the camera, keeping it turned off, listening to everything. No, I'm not a radio. We need to make this session more interactive, right? So keep your cameras turned on. Ankit, for now, I'll excuse, but not for next session. You have to fix it by the next session. Ankit, if it's genuine. So can you tell the chapter? Joshua, I told, right? Basic foundation class, foundation of grade 9 math. Not a specific chapter I'm discussing. Clear? Joshua. Yes. Foundation means what? Basics. You should have the basics, right? Then only you will be able to learn all the chapters and core concepts with a precise mind. Or else you'll be learning it casually. Yes. So let me move forward. Ankit, by the next session, Ankit will fix it. Hi Balkaran Singh. Balkaran Singh, do you miss me? Do you remember me? Yes. So we'll move forward. So we got it. We are gonna do this, isn't it? Everyone is like, sir, we all know this meme. So this time we'll do it for short. So guys, natural numbers we have learned. Okay, we know it is 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. So the counting numbers we'll consider. Will we count 0? Instead of Ashish sir, our technical head will say, instead of Ashish sir, 0 we can substitute. Ashish sir is equal to 0, right? Isn't it? But over here, Srinidhi, what is that to smile? Ashish sir equal to 0, so we'll tell Ashish sir instead of 0. So over here, we have a set of whole numbers to consider. Okay? So when it comes to whole numbers, compared to natural numbers, what are all the major differences? The major differences are, in the case of natural numbers, we don't have 0. Isn't it? Over here we have 0. That is the major difference. The numbers include natural numbers and 0 as well. So the natural numbers along with 0 is none other than what? It is none other than the beloved whole numbers. Note this down, guys. Give side heading whole numbers. Write down the numbers which include natural numbers and 0. They are called as whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Dot 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 dot. Because it goes like that. It goes to infinity. Guys, note it down real quick, or else I'll sing a song. That's the kind of punishment I'm gonna give you all. It's better to write quick than listening to my songs. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes like that. We have 9 as well, right over here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 it's there. Balkaran Singh done. Jerome done. Mayang Singh. Good. Okay. Zainab camera. Hi Dhanya. Okay, Dhanyasri is like, oh sir, I missed you. Yes. Yes. So can we move forward, guys? Are we good to go? Are we good to go? Yes. Fine. Whole numbers and natural numbers we have learned. I hope you know it. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. What are these numbers called as, guys? Whole numbers or natural numbers? Whole numbers for sure, right? So the question is, hi Sisi, how are you? It's very hot in here. What about your place? So will we use numbers over there? Obviously we'll use numbers over there, right? Thank you. Obviously we'll use numbers, isn't it? So she's trying to communicate. So sister, from there she is replying, it has reached -2 degrees Celsius here. It has become difficult to bear. So what will we do in this case? We have the numbers. But where is -2 over here, guys? -2. In WhatsApp or Instagram, we have an emoji, right? Ashish, we have an emoji like this, right? Yes. Isn't it? Where do we have -2 in this, guys? Bro, what will we do? Everyone is like, sir, don't worry. We have this integer, bro, coming on our way. Isn't it? Integers are there. In the case of integers, when we consider whole numbers and natural numbers, we don't have negative numbers. So the set of numbers which includes the negative set of numbers as well is called as integers. Isn't it, Sarfraz? Hi Sarfraz, don't support your Joe. Isn't it? I know it's Ramadan month, but please don't rest your head on your hand. Yes. Fine. So it has reached -2 degrees Celsius here. To say the temperature, we are taking -2. So will it be possible in this case of set of whole numbers? No. Negative? What is that? What are negative numbers? No idea. It's a very special number. So we'll check out the collection of whole numbers and negative numbers. They're called as integers. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It goes like that. So they're called as integers. Note this down, guys. Give side heading integers. The collection of whole numbers and negative numbers. They're called as integers. Got it? So who is there besides Onika? Yes. No. Yes. Bertalina. Hi Bertalina. Can you please unmute? So they can unmute themselves, right? Yes. You can unmute yourself, Bertalina. Click on the unmute button. Say hi, hello, Jingalala, Jugard, Magic, Manoj sir the Great. Say something, no? I can hear. Bertalina, you can unmute. Hello, Bertalina. Can you hear me? Are you there? Don't take 10 business days. Not just to Bertalina, whoever is unmuting. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Bertalina, do you have an issue with the mic? It doesn't unmute, doesn't work. When will you fix it, Bertalina? For now, it's fine. Very first session, right? I can understand. But by the next session, it should be fixed for sure. Got it, Bertalina? Okay. One excuse I'll be giving everyone. So guys, the collection of whole numbers and negative numbers will constitute the integer. So over here, you can see an example. Guys, can you see the example over there on the temperature? So guys, the temperature values are given, right? Let's say that it's a thermometer. So in the thermometer, the temperature values are given over there. So you can see that the temperature value goes negative as well as positive. So we have -5, -10, -15, -20, -25. It goes like that in this particular example which is given over there. Isn't it? And you can see the positive values as well over there. We have +5, +10, +20. It goes like that. 15. It goes like that. And one more thing, there is 0 as well. So you can see that the whole numbers along with negative numbers constitutes the integers. Okay. So this is the perfect example for integers. So all the numbers, we have one more major point to focus. All the numbers that have only 2 factors, that is 1 and that particular factor itself, are known as prime numbers. That is, guys, if I am taking the number 4, Ashish sir, can you please raise it a little bit up? If I am taking the number 4, okay, yes, will I have just one single factor for it? What do you think, guys? Will I have just one single factor for it? No, right? I'll have how many factors I'll have 2 will be there, isn't it? 2 2's will be there. Isn't it? 2 into 2 is 4. Isn't it? 1 and 4 is obviously there, and we have one more factor for it, that is 2. Because the number 4 I can write in two different ways majorly. Isn't it? I can write 1 and 4, for this 4 I can write 1 into 4 or 4 into 1, that is there, and I can write 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is also 4. So the number 4 is having how many factors, guys? It is having 1, 2 and 4. Understood? Nobody had break your neck quick. Everyone should have broken necks if you got this concept. Yes. Fine. Yes, Abdullah, don't take it personally, guys. Abdullah is literally shaking his head. Abdullah, I'm not imitating it because my hairstyle will go off. Okay. Ashish sir was trying to fix with some set bit hold. Before the class, I was setting my hair so bad. I was like, yeah, over here, YouTube live is happening, so I should comb my hair perfectly. But you all know, right? My soul is perfect than my hair. Isn't it? Very emotional dialogue. Please don't fall for it. So guys, over here, I am considering the number 4. For the number 4, we have 1, 2 and 4. Isn't it? So let's say I am considering the number 6. I'll unmute. Who was it, sir? Abidin. No. Yes. Abidin. Adrin. What's your name? Abdrin. Okay, Abdrin. Yes. For the number 6, which are all the factors we have? 1 is there, 6 is there, then 3 is there, 2 is there, isn't it? It is having 4 factors. So Abdrin, if we have 4 factors for a number, is it a prime number? No. So for a number, if it has to be a prime number, what will I do? What will I do? It should have the number and just 1, or it should have only 1 and the number itself. Got it? Very good, Abdrin. So as it is mentioned over here, all the numbers that have only 2 factors, that is 1 and that particular number itself, are known as prime numbers. So guys, over here on screen, the prime numbers are given. If I take the number 1, I can't take, because for the number 1 it is just 1. We don't have other factors. But for a number 2, guys, not that toilet number 2, just the normal digit number 2. So if you're taking number 2, what will we have? We'll have... Jerome is smiling. Sir, prime numbers concept I forgot, only the toilet thing I remember. Jerome, come back. Yes. So if I'm taking the number 2, we are... Still everyone is smiling. Ashish sir, when I say number 2 and all. Guys, YouTube live, it is recorded in YouTube. Okay, fine. So number 2, if I am considering, I have 2 factors, just the number 1 and that particular number 2. We don't have any other factors coming on our way. True or not? Obvious, right? Pretty obvious. We don't have other bros coming on our way. So we have 1 and that particular number 2. So if I am considering the number 3, we have the number 1 and 3. 1 into 3 is 3. Do we have any other number which we will get the answer as 3? Any other factors for 3? Apart from 1 and 3? No, right? No factors. So only 2 factors are there, number 1 and that number itself, that is 3. Now for the number 4, as I've discussed, we have 1, 2 and 4. So number 4 is not a prime number. Next we have number 5. For number 5, I have just 1 and that particular number 5. 1 into 5 is 5. There are no other numbers where we'll get the value of it as 5. When I take 6, for 6 we have 2, 3, 1 and 6, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 6 is there. So 6 we can't take. Guys, 7, CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo 7. We can take it, right? For number 7, we have only 1 and that particular number, isn't it? And if you want, you can add Ronaldo as well. For 7, we have Ronaldo as well. But factors, we have only 1 and 7. Understood? Isn't it? For sure. Anna, there is nothing to smile. Obviously, for number 7, Ronaldo, no other names. Okay, don't tell. Sir, Anna Rose instead you put. No, I won't do that. Got it? Yes, Mohammad Ishan, what are your thoughts? Mohammad Ishan has commented, sir, I'm waiting for the remaining comment to come. Okay, don't call bad words, okay? Sir, I almost forgot. Forgot what? Ishan. Jerome is like, no sir, 2.5 into 2.5 is equal to 5. Wrong. Wrong, Jerome. Guys, Jerome is sharing, sir. 2.5 into 2.5 when you do will get 5. Who taught you mathematics, Jerome? Who taught you mathematics? Oh, Ishan's birthday. Okay. Okay, fine. Even if he's having fun or even if he is serious, if it's serious, if you're sure about it, happy birthday, Ishan. Yes. Srinidhi is also wishing. Everyone is wishing. Happy birthday, Ishan. Yes. So, Jerome understood. 2.5 into 2.5, if you do, you won't get the number 5. Got it? Got it? How much you will get? You will get... How much you got over there? 5k? Oh, great. How much you will get? Jerome? 25 into 25, if you do, you will get 625, right? We have 2.5 into 2.5, so the answer will be 6.25. Got it, Jerome? Only if you add 2.5 plus 2.5, you will get 5. But they are not factors, right? You are doing addition over there. Understood where you went wrong? Got it? So for the number 5, we have only 1 and that particular number 5 as its factors. Clear, Jerome? Nobody had break your neck? Break your neck with guilt. You should have that guilty feeling, oh, I gave the wrong comment. But it's okay, Jerome. I was teasing you. Obviously, my students should have that confidence to give wrong answers as well. Don't think twice. Why? Because that's how you learn. From now on, Jerome will never forget what are prime numbers. Got it? It's actually a learning. Don't consider like, oh, Manoj sir will kill me if I put wrong answers. No. It's fair enough. It's fine. I can understand that. Alright? I'm very friendly with you all, right? But don't sit on my head. I'll chop your head off. Yes. Sir is too smart. I become humble. That's what, Jerome, you have to. What happens? You should, even if you comment wrong, consider it like a learning. Okay, I'll come back on track. So whenever you consider the number 7, for the number 7 as well, we have just 1 and that particular number 7. For 13, we have 1 and 13. Okay. After 7, what do we have? 8. For 8, we have different factors, right? We have 1 is there, 8 is there and 4 is there, right? And one more bro is there, 2 is there. Because 2 into 4 is 8. Got it? And when you consider 9, okay, over here I'll write. When you consider 9, which are all the factors it has, guys? Number 1 is there, 9 is there, 3 is there. Isn't it? Why? Because 3 into 3 is 9, right? Isn't it? So for the number 10, you will have 1, 10, 2 and 5. You will have 2 into 5 is 10. Isn't it? For the number 11, it is just 1 and that particular number 11. Isn't it? So 11 is also a prime number. So for the number 12, you will have different factors, right? Isn't it? 1 is there, 12 is there, 2 is there, 6 is there. 2 into 6 is also 12. And we have 3 and 4 as well. 3 into 4 is also 12. 4 into 3 is also 12. It goes like that. 11 Neymar Jr. Okay, Jerome. Yes, 139 is there for the number 9. Correct. Abdullah. Yes. Correct, Adrin. Everyone clear? Understood? How will we consider the number, whether the numbers are prime numbers? If a number is having the number 1 as well as that particular number as their factors, they are called as prime numbers. Got it? So we'll consider the prime numbers. Everyone give side heading prime numbers and note this down first. Give side heading prime numbers and note this down. All the numbers that have only 2 factors, that is 1 and that particular number itself, are known as prime numbers. So what do you think, who do you think will win the UCL? Hadi sure, right? Obvious answer I have. Real Madrid. For sure. Hi Aditya, keep your camera turned on. Zainab, Nia or Nitya. Atif, Sarangi. Abhiya, Anil. Yes, Atif has come. Atif is on track. Barca will cook Real Madrid. Hadi's roll number and contact details I want when Real Madrid wins the Champions League. I'll text you. Hadi, is this Barcelona playing the Champions League? Are they qualified this year? Oh, qualified, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, oh, qualified. Oh, this year they played. Last year they didn't even play. Right? Yeah, understood. Yeah. I thought this year also you guys didn't qualify. Fine. It happens sometimes. You don't have to be depressed, Hadi. Once Barca come on top of that 10 Champions League mark, no, we'll think about winning more Champions League. Real Madrid will win for sure, Joshua. Barca will cook Real Madrid in final. Oh, okay, fine. Oh, Jerome is like, generally every single student will comment, sir, can I go to washroom? So I'll not be reading the comment. I'll be like, oh yeah, you can go. But Jerome is like, sir, can I go to the washroom? Please, I have been holding it for 2 hours. Jerome, I started the session 15 minutes before, right? What is the time now? Yes, 15, just half an hour down. And you have been holding it for 2 hours. I'm sad that this is live on YouTube. Anyways, so everyone note down the prime numbers, examples till 15. Note this down, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from this, which are all the prime numbers, what you have to do is write the numbers from 1 to 15 and just encircle the prime numbers. Okay? Yes. Encircle the prime numbers. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 5, 7, 11, 13, 15. 15 is not a prime number. Because 15 is having 3 into 5 as its factors. Yes, Danya, Madrid will win for sure. Real Madrid UCL will win. Madrid all-time number 1. No, sir, it was 2 hours ago. So before 2 hours, what you were doing, Jerome? You had other tuitions or what? Sir, all these days I was completely into tuition, so I couldn't go to the washroom. You should understand. Is it like that, Jerome? Sonika done writing? Guys, write the numbers till 15 and encircle the prime numbers. Let's have the basics thorough. Yes. Are we done? Can we move forward? So if you are done, I'll move forward, guys. Are you done? Fine then, I'm moving forward. So guys, what are you expecting? I move forward. Should I move backwards? I should move backwards or what? Okay. Abdin is like, no sir, please don't come. Mohammed is like, Charlie. Sir, remove Mohammed. Yes. I told like I'll move forward. I move forward. Okay. I didn't talk about the slides. Come on. You expected the slides, right? Anyways. So next we have composite numbers coming our way. So composite numbers are the numbers with more than 2 factors. The numbers which are not prime numbers, they are called as composite numbers. Got it? So if we're considering 4, 6, 8, 9 and so on, for all these numbers, we have more than 2 factors coming on their way. Got it? So prime numbers are 2, so 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 like that. But when it comes to composite numbers, they are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, goes like that. So composite numbers are having more than 2 factors. It starts from 4. Why? Because the number 2 is having only 2 factors. Number 3 is only having 2 factors. And number 1 is only having 1 factor. So the numbers with more than 2 factors. So they are composite. So 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14. So guys, give side heading composite number and write down composite numbers are numbers with more than 2 factors. And note down the examples for it. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 and so on. It goes like that. Once you're done, let me know so that I'll move forward. Or should the slides move forward? Or the concept should move forward? Should tell me. Hi Sarfraz, can you please unmute?
Hi, sir.
Srinidhi is like next topic. Sarfraz, what are your hobbies?
Playing badminton.
Playing badminton, good.
Gaming.
Gaming. Which game you like the most?
Fortnite.
Come again, Fortnite. Okay, fine. So, Sarfraz, did you understand what are prime numbers, integers, natural numbers, all numbers, composite numbers? Any confusions?
Yes, sir.
Give me an example of a composite number greater than 20.
22.
22 is a composite number. Why you are sure of it? Why did you say 22? How many factors it has?
3.
3. Which are all the factors? 1, 22 and
11.
11. So 1 into 11 if you do, you will get 22.
So 11.
11 into 2 you have to do, right? So number 2 is also there. So it is having 4 factors. 1, 22, 2 and 11. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, sir, for us. So we'll move forward. We'll move ahead with the topic, guys. Isn't it? Isn't it? Concept will move forward. Yes. So next we have the co-prime numbers. So let us consider two numbers, 5 and 9. Are they co-prime numbers, guys? We'll check it. Co-prime numbers are the pairs of numbers that do not have any common factor other than 1. They are called as co-prime numbers. Okay? So that is, if you are considering the number 5 and 9. So we'll check whether they are co-prime or not. Okay? So these pairs of numbers should not have any common factor other than 1. So if you are considering 5 and 9, will it be co-prime, guys? What do you think? 9 is having the factors as 1, 9 and 3. Isn't it? Number 5 is having only 1 and 5. Number 5 is a prime number. 9 is a composite number, but if you consider 5 and 9, are they co-prime? Because it should not have a common factor other than 1. 1 will be there for both the numbers. We can ignore that. But when you consider other digits, is there any common factors for it, guys? No, right? They don't have any common factors. So we can consider the numbers 5 and 9 as co-prime. Possible? Understood, Srinidhi? Clear with it, everyone? Nobody had break a neck? So everyone give side heading co-prime numbers and write down what are co-prime. Co-prime numbers are pairs of numbers that do not have any common factor other than 1. Clear? Once you're done writing, please let me know. Everyone done? Can we move forward, guys? Are we good to go? Nobody head break a neck? Yes, Lavishka, unmute. Yes, Lavishka. We have the numbers 5 and 9 given over here. Okay? What are the factors of 5, Lavishka?
1 and 5.
1 and 5. What are the factors of 9?
1,
9,
9, 3.
3. Because 3 into 3 is 9. So 1, 9, 3 is there. So does it have any common factor? This 5 and 9?
It has common factors 1.
Number 1 we can ignore because it is given. That do not have any common factor other than 1. So 1 we can ignore. So apart from 1, that is other than 1, is there any common factors for 5 and 9?
No.
No. So they are co-prime numbers. Now the numbers which do not have any common factors apart from 1, other than 1, are called as co-prime numbers. Since 5 and 9 doesn't have any common factors other than 1, they are co-prime.
Okay.
Got it? This pair is a co-prime. It's not like number 5 is co-prime or 9 is co-prime. The number 5 and 9 as a combination, they are called as co-prime numbers. Clear, Lavishka?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, Lavishka, tell me if I take 4 and 6, are they co-prime, Lavishka?
One.
We will check and tell, okay? So for number 4, which are all the factors?
1. 4 and 2.
1, 4 and 2. For number 6?
6, 1, 6 and
6,
3.
3, then
1.
1, that's it. So 1 into 3 if you do, you will get 6.
2.
So 2 is also there, right? 2
Yeah.
into 3 if you do, you will get 6. 1 into 6 if you do,
Yeah.
you will get 6. So for the numbers 4 and the number 6, does it have any common factors apart from 1?
No.
Which number?
It's 2.
2 is there as a common factor. Apart from 1 we can ignore. So apart from 1, it is they are having 2 as their common factor. So are they co-prime numbers? 4 and 6, are they co-prime?
No.
No, they are not co-prime because they are having 2 as their common factor apart from 1. Understood, Lavishka? Clear with the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, I got.
fine. So next we have HCF and LCM. So guys, writing part you can do later on. Okay, focus over here. So the highest common factor is called as HCF. Listen carefully, I'll give you time to write. So the HCF defines the greatest factor present in between two or more numbers. They can be called as highest common factor. So let's say I'm considering the number 15 and I'm considering the number 25, or I'll consider the number 30. Okay, I'm considering the number 15 and I'm considering the number 30. So guys, tell me what are all the factors of 15? Everyone comment the factors of 15. One is there, 15 is there, then 3 is there, 5 is there. Because 3 into 5 is 15. 1 into 15 is 15. So 1, 15, 3 and 5 is there. Now everyone comment what are all the factors of the number 30? For the number 30. One is there, 30 is there, then we have the number 3 and number 10. 3 into 10 is 30. We have the number 5 and number 6 because 5 into 6 is also 30. Isn't it? Do we have the number 2? 2 is also there. We have the number 2 and 15 as well. Number 2 is there. Number 15 is there. Isn't it? Because 2 into 15 is also 30. Now, when I compare the number 15 and the number 30, which number is the highest common factor of 15 and 30, guys? Which one is highest common factor? There are a lot of common factors. Okay, I'll encircle the common factors. 3 is there here, 3 is here as well. 5 is there here, 5 is here as well. 15 is there here, 15 is there here as well. 1 we can ignore. 1 I'm ignoring. So we have 3 common factors for both the numbers. But which number is the highest common factor? 15. Understood, Sonika? Clear, Lavishka? Clear, Abdullah? Clear, Aditya? Perfect. Clear, Nia, everyone? I'm not taking out names. Balkaran, are you listening? So for both the numbers 15 and 30, we have the number 15 as the highest common factor. They are called as HCF. Clear with the concept, guys? So know this down. Give side heading HCF and know this down. HCF defines the greatest factor present in between the given 2 or more numbers. So HCF can be called as the highest common factor. So as an example, if you want, you can write the number 15 and 30. Only if you think like you will forget the example, you can write, or else example is not needed. But make sure you understand the concept properly. Got it? Once you're done writing, please do let me know. Everyone done? Zainab finished. But your camera, Zainab, why it's turned off? Zainab, keep your camera turned on. Kritik, Abhiya, Anil, Ashwika, Madhusudanan. Hi Ashwika, keep your camera turned on. Ashwika. Ankit Prasad. Zainab, what's your concern with the camera, Zainab? Let me know why it's still turned off, even after insisting everyone. Sir, I am in the car, I can't turn it on. For Ashwika, you're traveling or what? Shamiha has turned on her camera. Shamiha is back, isn't it, Shamiha? Yes, sir, I'm finally back. So Shamiha, we are checking all the basics of mathematics, some basic concepts we are covering. So once you're done, we'll move forward. Complete. Okay, Atif. So yes, next we'll check the LCM or the lowest common multiple. The LCM defines the least number which is exactly divisible by two or more numbers. That is, LCM can be called as the least common multiple. So guys, how will we consider the lowest common number or the lowest number which is common multiple or the lowest number which is exactly divisible by two or more numbers? What do you think, guys? Which are all the multiples of 6 and 12? So we'll consider the multiples of 6 as well as we'll consider the multiples of 12. For the number 6, we'll consider not the factors, guys, multiples. 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. We have multiples over here, right? 1, 2, 3, 6. For 12, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Isn't it? 12 divided by 12 is 1. 12 divided by 1 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Isn't it? 12 divided by 6 is 2. 12 divided by 12 is 1. It goes like that. So guys, yes. So over here, when you consider the number 6 and number 12, which number is the least common multiple or the lowest common multiple when we compare for both 6 and 12? Which number is the least number which is a common multiple of both? Lowest common multiple is none other than Hadi is like 0. Hadi 0? Do we have 0 over here? Which number? Number 6. No. 6 is not the common number, common multiple. Number 2, right? 2 is the lowest common multiple, least common multiple. Isn't it? Isn't it? So 2 is there for 6 as well as 2 is there for 12. Which are all the common multiples we have? 2, 3, 6 is there. 2, 3, 6. Among this, the least one. Which one? There is none other than the number 2. Got it, guys? Understood? Yes. So everyone write down what is LCM. Quick. The lowest common multiple defines the least number which is exactly divisible by two or more numbers. So it can be called as least common multiple or LCM. Already done. Very good, Atif. You are not listening or what? Hadi, we don't have to consider number 1. 1 we have to exclude. Hadi is like, sir, what about number 1? Number 1 is the least. But still, in HCF, LCM, and in prime numbers, in all these cases, we'll ignore 1. Got it? 1 will be there for all the numbers, right? Yes. After this, we'll play one multiplier. Ashish sir. Yes. Can we move forward? Are we done? Okay, Lavishka is still writing. Don't support your Joe, Anna Rose. How many of you like the recent Hanuman Kind song? Run it up. The sun is up. One song is there, right? Isn't it? There are some of you guys who didn't like the song much. There are some of you guys who liked it so much. There are two extremes for that song, isn't it? Ankit is like, it's great. Hadi is like, yeah, I like it. Isn't it, Hadi? You like it? Run it up fans, do we have Hanuman Kind's recent album, recent song? Run it up. Of course, I listen to you. Good, Atif. Fine. Abdrain is like medium. Okay. Fine. So are we done? Can we move forward? Yes. So I'm moving forward, guys. So over here, I'm giving you a certain set of numbers. Okay. So I'm giving you the numbers 15 and 40. Okay. So to find out the lowest common multiple and the highest common factor. Lowest common multiple, quick. Which number? Which number is the lowest common multiple? Guys, don't say the number 1. Number 1 we'll ignore in all the cases. Okay? And which number is the lowest common multiple? Aditya is like 3 and 5. Aditya, only one number you can choose. Lowest common multiple for 15, 40 and 75. If you consider 3 different numbers, the LCM for 3 different numbers, that is 15, 40 and 75 over here is none other than 5. Guys, why we didn't take 3? Some of you guys have commented 3. Because 3 is not there for 40, isn't it? 3 is there for 75, 3 is there for 15. But since 40 is also there, we can't take 3. We have to take the number 5. The number 5 is the lowest common multiple for 15, 40 and 75. And now tell me, which is the HCF, guys, highest common factor? Can we take 15? 15 is not there in the number 40. 15 is here, but for number 40, 15 is not there. 8 we can't take, 10, 20, 40 we can't take. So which is the highest common factor? It is none other than 5 itself. So in this case, HCF and LCM both are 5. Got it, guys? Yes. Who spammed the chat box, sir? I'll chop his head off. Who was that? I knew it. Hadi. One comment is fair enough. I'll chop your head off. Yes. So over here we have learned that for these examples 15, 40 and 75, the HCF and LCM both are same. They are the number 5. Everyone write down this example. So in this case, HCF is equal to LCM, and that is equal to the number 5. Write down the example and write down the HCF and LCM. Quick, guys. Make it quick. This is some simple numbers, right? So have an understanding about it. So once you're done, I'll move forward. We have good set of numbers, good examples given over here. The number 15, the number 40 and number 75. Got it? Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for my team. This never gets old, right? Baba Black Sheep. Sonika is like, sir, last year itself I've heard it 1,000 times. You can stop singing it. It's Sonika. Dhanya was like, oh, she saw me 1 year ago. She was like, oh, sir, where did you vanish? And she's like, oh, I got him back. Dhanya, I won't be teaching you all the whole academic year. I'll be coming in between like this. Got it? Yes. Joshua, any doubts, any concerns? No, right? Okay, fine. Joshua Varghese, yes. Valkaran clear. Ankit Prasad camera. Can we move forward? I hope you all are done writing. Yes. Next we have rational numbers. So guys, generally we say it like fractions, right? We call it as fractions. So over over here, a rational number is written in the format of P by Q, where the denominator should not be 0. Got it? So rational numbers are in the form of P by Q, where P and Q can be any integer. It can be a positive number as well as a negative number. But the denominator Q should not be 0. So this means that the rational numbers include natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fractions of integers, and decimals. Dominating decimals and recurring decimals, so we can ignore it. So basically, we call it as fractions with integers. Right? It can include natural number, whole number, and integers as well. Got it? Yes. So rational numbers are in the P by Q form, where the numerator and denominator can be a positive number, negative number, a whole number as well. Numerator can be 0, but Q value should not be 0. That is mandatory. Got it? So give side heading rational numbers. Note down, rational numbers are in the form of P by Q, where P and Q can be integer and Q not equal to 0. This means that the rational numbers include natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fractions of integers, and decimals. It goes like that. So you only come sometime to teach maths. Yes, Joshua, obviously I'll come. Don't worry. So for physics, Lois ma'am will come. Fair enough, right, Joshua? All subjects I have to teach. Every subject, Manoj sir. You will get tired of me. You'll be like, sir, bring some new teachers. Tired of your fun part. Tired of your drama. So everyone done? Can we move forward? Yes. So now I am considering addition of rational numbers. Okay. So it's like my comment for you all. Alright, don't panic. Don't panic. Relax. Alright. So how will we add two rational numbers? In such cases, what will we do? We have 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3. In this case, what will we do? How will we add these two fractions? What will we do in this case? 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3. What will we do? Cross multiplication possible. Okay, that's a good technique. Atif, good technique. Abdullah. Finding LCM, very good Faizan. Faizan is like, sir, ask me. I was here to answer. Obviously, we can consider the LCM. Sneha, Anurup, correct. We can take LCM. Find the LCM. If there is no LCM, multiply the denominators. Possible, Sonika? Yes. So guys, over here, we have the numbers 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3. So for the numbers 3 by 4 and 2 by 3, we have to make the denominators same, right? Then only we can add it normally. So which number is the LCM if you consider the number 4 and number 3? Which number will take, or will take the HCF? Which number will take, guys? For 4 and 3? 4 and 3 are the multiples of the number 12. Do you remember, guys? The factors of 12 we wrote, right? Is it? Who is saying that? Is it my voice echoing over it? Ankit? Understood? So what will we do? We have 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3. So for the number 4 and 3, we have 12 as the yes, highest common multiple. Everyone is thinking, sir, for number 12, if you take the LCM, we'll consider 4 and 3. So this number 4, I can make the denominator 12. How will I make it? I'll multiply 3 by 4 into 3. Plus 2 by 3, I'll multiply with 4. I'll take the LC over there. So what will happen? This number will become 3 into 3, that is 9. 9 by 12 plus this 2 into 4 is 8. 8 by 3 into 4 is 12. So it will become 9 by 12 plus 8 by 12. The next step I can write it as 9 plus 8 by 12 and the final answer will be 17 by 12. 17 by 12 is the right answer. Understood everyone? Understood? And some of you guys were telling sir cross multiplication, we can use the cross multiplication method as well. 3 into 3 plus 2 into 4 divided by 4 into 3. That's right. So this number, this one I can write it as 3 into 3 plus 2 into 4 divided by 4 into 3. This is the cross multiplication technique. That is, we will multiply this denominator with this numerator plus this numerator with this denominator. So 3 into 3 plus 2 into 4 divided by 4 into 3. That's how you do it in the cross multiplication method. This is the cross multiplication method. 3 into 3 plus 2 into 4 divided by 4 into 3. In this case also, if you do 3 into 3 is obviously 9, isn't it? So in this case also it is 9 plus 8 by 12. So in this case also you will easily get 17 by 12 as the right answer. Got it guys? Can we move forward? Are we good to go? Clear? Perfect? Yes. So don't panic. Just relax. We got this, isn't it? We understood the addition of rational numbers. Guys, is there anyone in my classroom who are confused with the addition of rational numbers? Let me know, quick. If you are confused with addition of rational numbers, please be honest. Tell me, sir, I am confused with it. I don't have any idea. No one. No confusions. Clear with it. Perfect. Got it? Yes. If you are perfect and if you don't have any concerns, queries, confusions, we can move forward. So guys, next we have the subtraction of rational numbers. So guys, the subtraction of rational numbers we will cover in detail in the next session. Okay? Right now you'll be panicking because you'll be thinking, sir, subtraction, how will do? So by the next session when you come, you should be prepared or you should research how will we subtract rational numbers. Have an understanding, have an idea about it. Got it guys? Subtraction of rational numbers. These all topics are easy because there is basic foundation. Got it Srinidhi? Foundation should have to be right. So obviously basic class will be pretty easy for you all. Got it Abdrin? Yes. Thank you guys. Any concerns, any queries, anyone before you wind up? Because a subtraction part, we'll obviously do it in the next session. If you have any concerns, queries and all, please do let me know. Anyone? No confusions, right? So have a great day guys. Thank you. See you all. Bye-bye.